Okay, so see the bolt going right through in there? And it goes through to the black thing. You see that shiny nut in there? Let's see where we at. This long bolt here. See that? Goes all the way through to there. And has a nut on the end. That's a lock nut. And basically, the toilet's not going to be able to fit in there the right way. Let me show you. See how it goes back there? There's the bolt going through the wall. They put it in too small. They didn't estimate and anticipate for this distance here. So that's what happens when people don't coordinate and when a job's not being managed properly. The trades don't talk to each other. The plumbers don't talk to the general contractors. The general contractors don't talk to the tile people. So you end up in a mess. But the rest of it looks good. The countertops we put in, very nice and sturdy. The sinks, the plumbers will put in, but this is nice and sturdy. This spanning over 8 feet. And the secret was that board in here and in here. See how, if you look at the bottom of this, you'll see that right next to it, there's a 2x4 going long ways. That 2x4 by itself, it's not enough. So the reason you want to use that oak is because it's strong. It's the strongest piece of wood you can ever get. So instead of using metal, which makes the whole thing heavier than it sags in the middle. All right? So any questions, please leave comments. And please subscribe. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful, wonderful day. Thank you. And we're out.